Hello, welcome to the Maths Heaven demonstration tutorial. My name is Zoe Baker and I'm the Managing Director and a Maths Tutor at Maths Heaven. This video is designed to show you how a real-life tuition session with Maths Heaven works. Jasper is 8 years old and he likes Lego, football and maths. He is currently working at Key Stage 2. Before the start of the maths tuition with Jasper, I performed an initial assessment, which was a series of numerical exercises so that I could find out exactly what Jasper knew already. The following exercises were designed to consolidate Jasper's existing skills and allow him to move forward with his mathematical skills and experiences with numbers. Because Jasper is actually quite young, I don't normally ask him to write very much, but he did have a bamboo pen which he uses in this tutorial to write answers onto the interactive whiteboard. I'm going to give you that much money.
£8.
And you're going to spend this much money.
So I can get it up. Yeah. So £4. Then you're gonna have to do that. And you're gonna have to replace it with the £1 definite. And then add 45 because of the 55 that you've minused from the 2. Then you just add on the £1, which makes 45 that you have to get back.
Okay, good. So how are you going to make 45p? That's the thing.
So that.
Put some of this money up a bit higher.
That's 40.
Okay, good.
But then I need something else. Or I could just do the 10 to make it. So the 2 10s, 20 makes 40. Give them the 5, 45.
Okay, I'm going to say to you now because we're going to move on to calculator in a minute. You're going to grab your calculator and you're going to tell me how you can. Okay, can you see all of this?
Yes.
Okay. So what's that number there then? At the top.
1,300,000, 50,000, 6,786.
Good. Right. Okay. So
just a guess.
Well, you were working out. You're using your problem-solving skills from all the numbers you've done before to work out, and that was a pretty good try. Well done. I'm gonna talk you through it. I'm just gonna write it into here now, so that you know how I would say it is if it was a normal big number. Say if I owed all of this money, this is how much money I would owe. Okay? You're right.
Just moving it across, cause.
Can you see all of the screen if I write into the left column now?
Yeah.
Right. Good. Okay, I'm going to choose a different colour. I'm going to choose something purple. Right. Okay. Okay, so it's 1,000,000.
Yeah.
356,786. Okay, did you notice how these 3 numbers here became 356? Yeah, so just like in this number here at the top, these 3 got lumped together, and so did these 3. Just like 786 became 786 here, 356,000 became 356 in this box here. Okay? And 1,000,000 stays out on its own because he's lonely. Okay? Right, so I'm going to just scrap those.
You might be a bit nasty.
Yeah, you might be right. When it gets to millions, I think you might be right. Okay, I'm just going to.
You might be a bit nasty.
Right then. Oh, it just let me do it. Good, excellent. Right. Okay, I'm going to leave those examples in there, and I'm going to give you an example, and you're going to try and write them in best you can. Okay, it's a bit small, but we'll see how you go. Okay, here's your first number. Okay, 6,482. Nice short one.
6,000. So it's just because it's not used to the pen and stuff.
No, that's fine. It's good. Practice makes perfect.
8.
Yeah, that's fine.
Well, actually, perfect practice makes perfect. Rubbish practice doesn't really.
Oh, you'll get much better. It's only your first day using it, isn't it? I've been using this pen for a year now. I've got much better at it as I used it. Okay, well done. Right, okay, so you got the hang of that one. Alright,
Yeah.
I'm going to give you another one now. I'm going to make a little bit of room on this grid, alright? So I'm going to get rid of the... Okay, so how many squares are there?
5.
5, yeah! It's working.
It was a really hard
1, 2, 3, 4.
question.
It was!
It was a really... Yeah!
I do like to give you a challenge. Okay, how many squares are there? How many squares on this next one?
Now there's 15.
Now there's 15. So how did you do that? If you did that by saying, oh, there's 5 there. Yeah.
Then I times it by 3, because I knew there was 5 from the other one, and then I times it by 3, and I got the answer.
Of course, right.
15.
Excellent. Okay. And so you found out the area of that shape. What type of shape is that?
That's a rectangle.
It's a rectangle. Lovely. Let's have the next shape on. Okay, so how many squares are there?
30.
30, how do you know?
Yeah.
How do you know?
Counted. There's 6 lines going down.
6 that way. Yeah.
And then there's 5 going. Well, there's 5 going downwards. There's 6 going down and 5 going across. And so I times it by again, and it got the answer 30.
So you did 5 times 6. Okay, good. Have you ever done anything like this before? Or are you using your problem-solving skills? Your ninja skills?
Wish I had
okay, I'm going to give you... I'm going to give you another shape now. Okay. How many squares are there? Now, you might need to... If you can't... It depends whether you can... How well you can count them with all in a row like that.
It's 60. 12 times 5. Yeah, 60.
Okay. 12 times 5. Lovely.
Yeah.
Okay. Right, and so
I
that's
saw how the last one was half of that shape, so I just doubled that.
Okay, did you notice that's the same with that one as well? Because that one's double the size of that one, isn't it?
No, I have.
So 15. You spotted it. And that was 30, and then you knew that one was 60 as well. You spotted my cunning plan. Okay, great. Okay.
Cubic
4 times 10
centimeters.
times 1. 40 cubic centimeters. Okay,
and that's the
great.
way I did it.
Yeah, that's fine. Okay, what's that?
That's a Lego block.
That's a Lego block. Okay.
Yeah, it is in real life.
What do you call one of them?
I thought it was a Lego block.
Just a Lego block?
Because it is a Lego block.
But say, what's the difference between some of the? How would you say, oh, it's that type of Lego block and not this type of Lego block, which has 8 dots on it?
Because it's, I know, it's a 1 Lego block.
It's a oneer. Yeah, it's a 1. Okay, that's what I was trying to get out of you. Okay. How many oneers are there?
There's 8 oneers.
8 oneers.
8
Okay,
winners! 8 winners instead of oneers.
Okay, so now Lego blocks are great because Lego blocks automatically count the volume for you.
And you can build loads of stuff with it.
Absolutely, it's like building houses and building cars and building all sorts. Now I used to use it.
And base commands.
Yes, indeed. And
Star
Star Wars these days, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so what would you call this kind of shape then in Lego? How would you say that's different to this one because it's got a?
I'd say it's a fourer. A 4.
A fourer. Why would you say that?
A length 4 because because it's a double, but it's a double 4, I'd say.
Right, so it's almost like saying 4 times 2, isn't it? Yeah, or so 4 times
4.
2. Okay, double fourer. I think that's what you used to call it.
That's why I said double 4.
Fine, okay, what's this one then? Now, I don't think you get many of them, do you, in
double
Lego?
8. Yeah, you
double
can
8.
get a few.
Can you? Oh yeah, for the bigger things, don't you? So, how many are there then?
There is... Are you talking about both sides?
How many oneers? How many oneers are there here?
8!
Okay. Altogether, 8?
No, it's 16, including
16.
those the ones.
So you did 8 times 2, didn't you?
Well, actually,
okay.
I did it from that, and then you double that, so I just said 16.
Yeah, of course you can see that it is, can't you? Yeah. Okay, guess what's coming next? A Lego shape you won't see very often.
But you can see them. Alright, that is a... But how many blocks and how many oneers there are is... 32!
32, so you did... How did you work that out?
Double 16, because from the other one.
Right, so yeah, you knew that bit was a 16, and so was that bit, yeah? So you knew it was 32.
Double 16.
How else could you have done that? How else could you have done that? What was another way of doing it? If you hadn't got all of this information before.